Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a uh, not really a tutorial, but like more of like showing you somewhere that you could go if you're looking to, expand on your brand and you want to have something customized. I came upon this website um, and I wanted to share with you guys. It's called Zazzle.com. I'm in no way associated with them. I just wanted to share what I thought was a cool experience. But anyways, let's get to it and show you what they offer. So you can create your own like custom stuff, do some hats, bags, some kid stuff, electronics, whatever it is. Anyways, if you're trying to like sell shirts maybe for your brand, maybe like your YouTube channel, um, just go to t-shirts. They actually offer you 20% off just by signing up, which is kind of cool. So say you want to do a men's t-shirt, click on that one. I actually have a lot of different colors. One of my favorite colors is this one. And then you can select the size. We're gonna make this a quick tutorial, a little show, just to give you an idea of what they do. And then you can add an image. It'll pop up right here. Bam. And it'll give you a nice little preview. Just hit the magnifying glass. And then, you can move it up or to the side, however you want to position it, and it'll show where it's at right there. And then you can put some nice little text in it. And you can change the size of it too, which is kind of nice. You can make it fill. You can rotate it, a lot of different things you could do with this. Add some different shapes, icons, add another picture. And then if you want to do the back, you just simply go to the layers and then go to the back design, and then you just upload another picture. Okay, so I'm going to delete this because it doesn't like it. It'll show a little icon on the right corner right here. For some reason it doesn't like it. Simply hit the delete button, then hit done so that it likes it. I don't know why it doesn't like it. It doesn't obviously fit or something. But then you could go to either sell it or add it to your cart. It gets more expensive, obviously, the more stuff you add to it. So if you add some more text, but if you just want like a nice little graphic to the front, then it's really actually pretty cheap, and then you get another 50% off on top of that. But say you want to sell it, this site will actually sell it for you. Just sign up with your account, and then you can get started, or you can buy it. So I hope this really helped you guys. I know that there's a lot of places where you can go, but not a lot of places you go to that you customize stuff will actually sell the stuff for you, and you can actually pick the pricing. It's actually a reasonable price. There's a lot to offer on this website. Well, anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.